Hello, Facebook. It's Tobin. I'm in the Volvo, which goes up and down the mountain. The Jaguar never goes in, well, sometimes, but rarely. So I thought this would be a nice opportunity, since we're between two pitches, to do a double pitch. And the double pitch is going to be pitching while I drive down this mountain. So I think we're going to go with the front view. And I'm going to start the pitch now. Pitch should be take about the time it takes us to get down this 1 mile long driveway. Alright, and hopefully the camera will stay put. Okay, so here's the problem. The problem is we're driving into a town that, well, actually we don't have the problem in this town. The problem is the town that you're driving into, first century. McDonald's, Walmart, all those businesses are completely optimized to be discovered online. 3 Main Street businesses in the town that you live in don't have access to this important search engine optimization technology that you get when you're a major multinational chain incorporation or Amazon. Virtual Storefronts solves that problem by taking the businesses in the town that we're about to drive into, Andrews, Murphy, and Cherokee County, and turning them into 6,994 keywords that Google loves to come crawling back to, and indexes those businesses' storefronts with all the different things that they sell, turning up in local search results. Now that is awesome. Here's where you come in, community investor, and why we're appealing to the general public. The town that you live in needs us to be able to go to the business owners, of the 20 million business owners that don't have virtual storefronts in the United States, and say, hey, do you want to solve this problem for $199 a year or $18 a month? And make them that opportunity. In order to do that, we need advertising dollars. We need a dedicated person to do the advertising. We need to scale up our production so that we can hire college students all over the country to do this for $50 remotely. We need more than our pilot staff, which is very, very bare bones. You know, you might be asking yourself, is this an existential crisis? Is this company just going to collapse if I don't invest? The answer to that is a hard no. We can keep going little size for quite a long time. What we don't want to do, though, is that. We want to go big. Now is the time. We are ready to go big. So let's go big. And you can do that by going to wefunder.com/virtual storefronts, or just Google virtual storefronts Wefunder, or Google Wefunder virtual storefronts, or Wefunder virtual, and probably come up on that too. Anyway, point being, just go there, put in your money, your investment of $100 to $2,200, and then you will be part of the community that's helping solve the problem that's all over this country of these businesses not being online. That's the pitch. And let's see, what other parts of the pitch did I forget? So just gonna look at my notes here. You can't invest next week, do it now. Let's see, what else? Oh, share this message on social media, because, I mean, who does pitches driving down a mile-long mountain driveway? I do. There's probably a lot of people that do this, but anyway, I thought it would be entertaining for you to drive along while I pitch. And as you can see, this driveway is so long that I've gotten to the end of my pitch before we got to the end of the driveway. Other information, Wefunder. It can be a little challenging to use, but usually it takes about 5 minutes, and they do require a social security number. But they have been doing it for 10 years. They are completely whatever, normal, just normal people. Plus, social security numbers are kind of not very secure in the first place. But let's see, what other things? Yeah, we've had great success and like, why not just share it with the rest of the country and then share that success with you as an investor by paying you dividends when we get into our $7 billion a year market for 20 million businesses. And then we also have secondary businesses. And now we are coming to the end of our drive. I guess I could just drive you right into Andrews. If I can keep this camera stood up straight for this. And yeah, there you go. I guess I'm going to wrap it up now. I'm going to take it out of low gear, move it into just straight drive, and drive on into town. Thanks for watching.